viewers, you can see we added the products over here. We displayed them all from the from the table, so we can easily see it using this general user interface for the administrator. Now in this video we will work on this edit. So if the administrator clicks this edit link coming with each of the product, so that specific product we can simply change in PHP. So the very simple thing is to actually add, we need to actually, if we click this link, so we should take a value on a product ID, so we can then simply change that product or edit that product. So very simply we will also get the product ID from the table over here, create a pro_id variable which will be equal to row pro, and we will take the product_id from the table, from that fetch array. So now after that we have got the pro_id. Now we can simply say index.php edit_pro is a variable, a URL variable, a get variable, which will be equal to in a PHP we will echo, in a PHP script we will echo. That's it. We have echoed the basically this product ID. So this URL variable will take a specific ID with itself, because that specific ID is coming through the while loop inside the fetch array. And the same thing we can do for this as well. Delete_pro, and we will say equal to PHP close and echo pro ID. That is also the same. Now Ctrl S to save and come here, press the page. Now observe, when we mouse over this and there is some problem. Echo PID. It is okay, but once again refresh the page. Localhost admin area edit pro is equal to br notice undefined. Oh sorry, this is not PID, this is pro ID. Oh my god. This is okay. Now it's okay. This was pro ID basically, not PID, because we have declared the variable as pro ID. Ctrl S to save again, and now refresh the page. Now when you mouse over here, you can see, observe here in the URL, that is there an address will appear here. You can see index.php edit_pro is equal to 1, is equal to 2, is equal to 3, is equal to 4, is equal to 5. So these all are actually taking their own IDs in the link, and also the same is for the delete. So that's fine. Now when we'll click this thing, edit link, so it should take us to another page where we will include one more page inside the index main index page. We'll say, if that is the case and edit product is clicked, edit pro basically, edit pro is clicked, then is active, then just include edit_pro variable, sorry, edit_pro page, and we will create that page, a new page, and also we will open that insert page, and we'll take this whole data, we'll select all the data and we'll put it inside this new page we have created. Ctrl S to save, and save it with the edit_pro.php. this is a similar procedure we had done already in the customer account there while we were creating the customer account. So now this is edit underscore pro page. We have included it inside the index page, and inside the view underscore product page there is a link to this page, I mean edit pro. So now just come, refresh the page and click any of the product, edit here, just click, and you will be taken to this, I mean to this insertion form, which is actually insertion form, insert product page, but we can modify that. And you can observe the URL over here, index.php edit underscore pro is equal to 1. That's mean the first one product we are editing and the ID is in front of you. So we can simply get that products all details with the reference of this ID that we have brought over here. So very simply, the first thing is to do inside this edit underscore pro page .php page, very simply say if asset dollar underscore get edit underscore pro, and inside the curly brackets get ID, create a local variable get underscore ID, which we will get using the get method, and that's name is edit underscore pro. That's it, we have got that ID. Now we will say get product is equal to MySQL sorry, we'll write a query here, we'll say select all from, we can actually paste that query over here, this one, this whole query we can just simply copy and paste to save time. We are saying get pro select all from products, but this time we are saying all from product where product ID is equal to this ID, get ID, that we already have. We already have this ID inside this local variable, so that specific product will come. Now we have product ID, product title, product image, product price, and we need all the details right now here. We can create more variables. Product DAC is equal to row pro and product underscore DAC to pro underscore keywords be equal to product keywords what we have more there, product category, yeah, we have product category and product brand as well. So we'll also say pro cat is equal to row product and product underscore cat. We'll copy and paste this line here, say product brand, product brand. So we have simply got all the data from the database, and we don't need actually this while loop over here. Yeah, we don't need this, and simply use MySQL fetch array, because actually the problem is that we have one record. We need this time one record, not all the records. So very simply MySQL fetch array, and that is okay. We don't need while my loop to run here to mess up our code. Now we can just change this in inserting product to update product and we can also now just I will display to you. Sorry, we can change this text as well. Edit and update product. Control S to save. Now I will just remove the required and we'll add value attribute same as we did in the editing account part there. Here in a PHP block we will echo pro underscore title. That's it. Control S to save. Now very simply go to this page and refresh the page. Unexpected error on the lines number 7. Yes, here is an error. We have not added the square bracket. I have added now. Control save, Control S to save again. Come here, refresh the page. In line number 191, in the file has a problem. 191. Go to 191. Okay, here is a problem. We have not actually closed this curly bracket up. This is if a set statement, so we need to close this as well. I have closed it here. Now once again go and refresh the page. You can see HP new laptop. We clicked, or here you can see if you click this Dell Core i7 edit link, it will simply show you Dell Core i7. That's it. We are working very simple and fine. Now we will just copy this thing, this whole value attribute, and we will be pasting it again and again. I have copied it. Now in the category part we can simply add, you can simply echo the pro underscore cat here, and the person can select others as well, but we will show them the category that they already added with that product. And for the brand part also, in the option, the first option where we have written select a brand, we will show them the selected category that we already inserted with the product. Echo pro underscore brand we have already above. Control S to save. Image, for the image we will just add in img source is equal to product underscore images, and we'll use PHP echo pro core image set. Now width will be 60 pixel and height will also be 60 pixel, and that's it. Control S to save. So image will be displayed, and the person can add another image. And the price field we will simply copy paste. We have already copied this. We'll paste that and we'll change the variable to price. Similarly like that, for the text area we will post it between the starting and ending text area tags, and we will simply we'll remove this value in this thing. Simply say pro DASCM in description. And last is the keyword. So in the keyword we will simply paste that we have already copied the value attribute, say keywords. That's it, done. Now just say update product, we give the name, we'll change the name update product to this submit button, and the name of this will also be update product of this button. So we have changed actually the already existing the form that we used for inserting the details in data, inserting the product. So now we have just modified that. We have done everything fine. Control S to save. Come here, refresh the page, and you can see dual core i7, product ID is 1, product brand is 2, and product price is 1200. This is the description, and these are the keywords. Once again, we will go to view all products. Now HP nice book laptop, we'll click edit this. You can see HP nice book, and these are the categories. This is the picture, price, anything, and we can update it very simply by changing them and after that clicking update. But we need to actually show the category name, not actually the category ID. So we can do some work over there. Very simply go here and we can do something. For the categories, we can simply do something like get cat. We'll create a new query. We'll write a new query. Select from categories where cat underscore ID is equal to this pro cat. Run cat to MySQLi query connection and get cat. Set row underscore cat equal to MySQL under I underscore fetch array. It will be run cat. That's it. We need to get the cat underscore category underscore title is equal to row cat underscore title. We have just got from the from the categories table using that pro cat ID, and similarly like that we can copy it and paste it here, and just can change the name to brands. We'll say where brand ID is equal to pro brand, and select from brands, run brand, get brand, row brand, run brand, and we will say brand title, get this from brand title field using row brand variable fetch array. That's it. Very simply we have done a little bit more work, but now we can display the category title as well as the brand title over here. Simply now say category title, display it here, and we'll display the brand title over here. That's it. Control S to save. The rest of the things are okay. Refresh the page, and now you can see laptop and HP is the brand and laptops is the category for this product. You can click this one, the camera, Samsung camera. It will say Samsung camera, cameras is the category, and Samsung is the product brand. This is the image, the price, each and everything. Now we can update this. Actually we can change this, edit this data, anything we want, and we then after that can click update product to update this inside the table and database. And we can also select any other category or brand. that's done. We have done the importing part for this whole thing, and now the rest of the thing we have already some PHP script, so we can simply use this to update the table, products table. Stay tuned till next tutorial.